If you inherited a house in Genoa, Ohio, or if you have a house in Genoa and you're going through a probate type of process or situation, this video is for you. My name is Dave Perchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I has been buying houses in and around Genoa, Ohio, and we've worked with a ton of sellers who are selling an inherited property. So we're very familiar with this process, and we also know that sometimes this process for you, the seller, it could be a bit confusing. Sometimes there's a lot of paperwork involved, and attorneys or courts, and the whole probate process can feel overwhelming. So the last thing we want to do is add any stress to your already what could be stressful situation. We want to keep everything very simple, and the way we're going to do that is we will buy your inherited house in Genoa in its as-is condition. So that means you don't need to fix anything, you don't need to clean anything, and you don't need to haul anything away. Anything you want out of the property, by all means, is yours, and you can take that. Any family belongings or collectibles or family heirlooms, anything that you don't want or don't need, you simply could leave behind and we'll take care of it for you. And what allows us to buy properties in their as-is condition is we're actually a cash buyer. So we're not relying on some third-party type of lender, mortgage company, or something like that to approve this transaction. These traditional buyers work with mortgage companies and lenders, and they're going to send through an appraiser, send through a formal inspection, and a lot of times they just nitpick your house and they want you to make repairs before they're willing to close. It can turn into a nightmare when working with more traditional buyers. And if they're represented with some real estate agent, now they're going to expect you to pay commissions and fees, and all of that is money right off your bottom line. It's right actually coming out of your pocket. With us, there's no third parties involved. There's no realtors, there's no real estate agents or mortgage companies or mortgage brokers. It's a cash transaction. You're going to sell the property in its as-is condition, and we're going to close on the date of your choice. So all of the control here is left with you. The ball is in your court. And if you need or want to sell quickly, we absolutely could accommodate when buying the house in Genoa. Or if you need more flexibility, just let us know that too. We can accommodate and work with any other family members involved or anything that you need. We are going to keep the ball in your court and close when you want to. So our phone number here is 614-300-5151, or you can visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And I know it says Columbus in the website name, but we're very familiar with properties in Genoa and all over Toledo. And we're not some call center. This isn't, some foreign distant land or anything like that. And when we get on the phone with you, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and then know more about the timeline that you're working with and that you want to close the transaction with. And that's it. We'll make you a fair cash offer. If our offer works for you, that's great. We'll move forward and communicate with you effectively throughout the whole process. If our offer doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We'll shake hands and part as friends. We're never going to leave a bad taste in your mouth or apply pressure or fake urgency or have sales tactics and gimmicks or anything like that. We're going to be fair. We're going to treat you like a neighbor because that's exactly what you are to us. And we look forward to the opportunity to provide you options and at least let you know where we stand. So our phone number, once again, 614-300-5151, and the website, sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perchin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.